So hello viewers, I hope that you people are safe in your cities, hometown or wherever you people are right now, and you people are doing good over there. Now the main purpose or the sole objective behind making this particular video is to bring in a positive approach among the students who have been hashtagged as ICSC or ISC batch of 2020. So students, there's a lot of controversy going around on the social media platforms and even among the students, among the parents. Even I've seen it on various YouTube study channels that whether a student should choose option 1, whether a student should choose option 2, what can be the methodology that council will adopt, and even like my principal has forced me to do this, my parents are pressurizing me, my school management has said no, you have to choose this particular option only, there's no freedom of choice, so many things are there. Now my dear students, I would like to tell you one thing only: this is a time where you should be a bit health cautious, and along with that you should be smart enough, in fact wise enough to make your decision. I'd like to thank Mr. Arvind Tiwari, who has come down to rescue almost 3 lakh students who were about to appear this particular examination, in the month of July. Now students, there's a thing like you should be well informed about things, but that information should not mislead you to any other direction. Now we all know about the scenario that is taking place in Bombay High Court. We are well informed about the scenario actually, but that particular information, if it is twisted and taught and then presented to you in some different manner in order to gain few views or maybe to increase the number of subscribers, that's not correct actually. Students, talking about YouTube study channels first. Now it's very tough for students to come across so many YouTube links and so many YouTube experts speaking about on the same topic, and it's very a student gets confused, whom to believe, whom to not. This particular person is telling A, that particular person is telling no, B. So now if I analyze the entire scenario, it's like a few experts on the YouTube, like I have seen many experts speaking about students' health. They're talking about to choose smartly. That's very good. It's very good to see some experts advising students to be health conscious first and then think about their marks. But it's very sad and disheartening to hear from few experts like council is going to do this, council has to adopt this particular methodology, this can be the way how council is going to give you marks. So it's a kind of a dictating terms. And in short summary, I would like to advise the parents also that CISCE, that is Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations, is one of the premier examination boards in the country, which has been in existence for over 60 years. So in education field, granting students their career certificate that has to be kept for entire life till the last breath. How can these people dictate terms? Just think about it. So my dear parents and students, please try and understand one thing, that there cannot be any sort of loophole or leakage from the council's side. A board that has been in existence for over 60 years, shaping your child's career or your career, particularly the students. Please understand one thing, it cannot be possible that it's not like an angel has come or a messenger has come from council's side and they have given any instruction, this is what council is going to do to these particular YouTube study channels. Got it? Apart from this, one more small example, that is out of your own experience. You must be knowing about the fake circulars that were circulated on all the social media platforms just 2-3 months before, related to English syllabus, or maybe but there's a sort of change, the results are coming out this day or XYZ, so many things were there. So you can take down from that particular experience that council has its own official website to release things. You might get information from here and there through some newspaper, but it's only after council releases a particular circular that the advertisement or many things like council related things about examination timetable comes out in media. It's not like anyone goes and they tell it and newspapers start writing or publishing those articles. So please try and understand one thing: do not listen to such kind of channels who are trying to mislead you. Wanted to put this point in front of you people कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है, कि this doesn't happen. It's not like someone comes and tells this will happen and you believe it. Council के पास एक system है. They have a particular system which is run by so many intellectuals, so many wise people. They have a smart system to make a student friendly decision. Correct? तो अभी controversy ये है कि sir whether I should opt option 1 or option 2. Now here I cannot tell you anything like whether you should go for option A or you should go for option B. ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. Council clearly says it is the student and/ or the parents. या तो आपको डिसीजन लेना है या तो पेरेंट्स को डिसीजन लेना है या दोनों को म्यूचुअली बैठ के डिसीजन लेना है. करेक्ट? हियर आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट यू वन थिंग. योर पेरेंट्स हैव नर्चर्ड यू फॉर 15 years. Correct? They have brought you up struggling somewhere, or few parents I know who have like they have struggled to pay even their child's fees. So please my dear students, one thing I would like to suggest you first, कुछ भी हो एक बार जरूर अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करो. Please talk to your parents about it. That mother, father, this is the option given by council. Option A says yes, you can go and opt for your exams. Option B says you can take in your pre-board marks. But even explain them that there's a methodology that council is going to adopt in option B. Now here it comes like few students first giving up a call to their friends. Avoid that thing first. Your friend is not going to decide your career. You people are going to decide your career. तुम्हारे दोस्त बस 10th standard तक है. I remember one quote, like when our parents they tell us avoid this particular friendship, avoid that particular friendship. We say no, they are my friends, they are my soulmates, I have to be with them. But once you pass out class 10, you really understand that particular words of your parents were true. तब आप लोगों को समझ में आता है कि नहीं, जो हमारे पेरेंट्स माता पिता बोल रहे थे वो रियली करेक्ट है. नाउ इफ यू थिंक लाइक नो ओके चलो मिस्टर एक्स इज टेकिंग और मिस्टर एक्स इज ऑप्टिंग फॉर राइटिंग एग्जामिनेशन, आई माई सेल्फ विल गो अलॉन्ग विद हिम एंड राइट द एग्जामिनेशन. नहीं. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, इफ मिस्टर एक्स हैज गॉट 60, correct, if he has got 60 out of 100 and you being Mr. Y have secured 75 out of 80, there's no question of putting your health into risk and write examination. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये पहले आप समझो. पेरेंट्स से पहले बात करो कि ये ऑप्शन है, क्या डिसीजन लें. They will be guiding you. अटरली बहुत बार देखा जाता है कि few parents and students, and their child, they have clashed. It's a very good time to sit, sort it out, and discuss freely. Be open to your parents and discuss. Try to take in what people say, but ultimately you are the decider. You have to decide. आपको चुनना है. आप किसी के ऊपर जाके या किसी से लेके नहीं ये वो कर रहा है तो मेरे को भी वो करना है. That's not the correct way of handling things right now. First, it's a very deadly virus. Second thing, everywhere situation is not the same. Students, right now I'm in Kolkata and the situation for me right now might be different, or a student who is appearing somewhere in Bangalore, for him the situation might be something else. So it's all about the circumstances and situation you are falling under. So you need to make your own decision whether it will be comfortable for you. Don't do anything out of your comfort zone until and unless you are falling into the category where you have scored less in your pre-board marks. But keep one thing in mind, your marks are not important, your health is important first. So make a wise choice before you submit in your application to the principal of your school. Sit down, discuss properly with your parents, discuss properly with your teachers. Remember one thing, after your parents guide you, please do consult with your teachers, your geography teacher, your bio teacher, what are the remaining subjects, and the other teachers too. Just ask them, ma'am, sir, am I in a condition where I can sit properly and write my examination? Or even ask them, try and ask them, पूछो उन लोग से कि sir, I have scored 54 out of 80 in my pre-board marks. Do you think that I'll be able to make it somewhere around in 70 or 72? They are the best person right now to guide you because they know your capability. उन लोग को मालूम है कि आप में कितना potential है, आप क्या कर सकते हो. So once go and discuss with them instead of making a blind choice, listening to here and there and then blankly making a choice. Instead of that, please go and discuss with your teachers, the concerned subject teachers. उन लोग से जाके पूछो, मैम क्या हो सकता है. Take their opinion, as I said you earlier in this particular video, that सुनो सबका, but ultimately it is you who have to take the decision. अगर present generation को उनके example में समझाना हो तो the best would be Carey Minati. Carey Minati फिर भी अपने सारे videos में आप लोग से पूछ ही लेता है तो कैसे हैं आप लोग. But you and your best friend 2 years from now, you won't even have that adequate amount of time to text or reply each other as how are you and I'm fine. You might have community of friends. आपके पास बहुत सारे friends हो सकते हैं, but जब आपके पास अपने best friend को text करने का time नहीं है तो forget it that you are going to ask those community of friends कैसे हैं आप लोग. Now it's not your best friend's choice here. It's not your community of friends choice here. They have their own decision. You have your own decision. Correct? यहाँ पे you are not going to ask your best. First thing ये avoid करो. भाई तू कौन सा option ले रहा है? Option A या option B? बहन तू कौन सा option ले रही है? Option A, option B. That's not the correct way to formulate things and play with your life. आपके marks कुछ और हो सकते हैं, उसके marks कुछ और हो सकते हैं. अगर if she has scored less, she has no other option than writing. If you have scored more, you should not risk your life and go out to write the examination only just because your best friend or some community of friends are going and writing there. वहाँ आप झुंड बना के, you're not going to make a group and go reach the examination center just to write an exam. बहुत सारे चीज़, there are many issues, many complications that you need to keep in your mind before you reach the examination center or before you make a decision. नहीं option A लेना है, option B लेना है. So students, few things that you need to keep in your mind before you're opting for option 1 or option 2, whatever it may be. First thing, एग्जाम लिखना जरूरी है या नहीं? Is it really important for me to write this exam? Now, how do you know whether it is really important for you people to write this particular exam or not? First thing, पहला criteria is your pre-board marks. First criteria is your pre-board marks. If you have scored far more better in your pre-board exams, please do not expose your health to COVID-19. Please. Agar you feel that I have secured this particular marks, I can do better and give my best, then please consult your parents, please consult your teacher. Already I said these people are the best ones who can guide you at this particular situation. Now students, there are few students who have not performed fairly well in their pre-board examinations. Like they are the ones who have secured 30 to 40 marks in their pre-board examinations, and we all are aware and we have to agree that the correction that we teachers generally do in pre-board examinations are strict. It's too strict. Keeping these factors in mind, council will definitely come up with some solution. I'm not telling that council will do this, council will do that, council should do this, council should do that, but they will generally keep all these things in mind and then frame certain methodology to help you people. Now, if you people want to write the exam, because even you people know that no, the 30 or 40 odd marks that you have got, if you write your board examinations, definitely there will be a small or maybe a drastic change in your marks. Might be possible. So to you people, I would like to suggest, please, you too consult your teachers, you too consult your parents, like what can be the difference if I write the exam in this particular pandemic situation, exposing my health. You too decide, you too discuss with your teachers by what difference, what can be the difference of marks that you can land up to ultimately. What will be the difference? Maybe your teacher will suggest, no, you can make a difference by 5 marks, 10 marks, 15 marks. Now you people need to plan whether you are ready to expose or go in this particular situation to write your exams or not. It's totally you. It's not me, it's not your teacher, it's not your parent. We can only advise, we can only talk about your betterment, but ultimately it is you who have to tell either a strict yes or a strict no. Tomorrow you should not be in a dilemma sort of situation, and you should not feel, no, had I done this, this would have been the result. Had I opted for writing it, I would have scored far better marks than what I have got now. So these all things should not be in your mind later on. Another category of students on which I would like to comment, एक और category है जो है, I belong to science stream right now because my school has this particular choice of subjects in 10th standard, whereas in my 11th standard I want to opt for commerce. ये भी एक category है where अभी present आप science background के हो and then you want to shift on to commerce. एक bio subject बचा हुआ है. So how well you people are concerned about this particular subject is totally in your hands. Ultimately, कुछ लोगों ने कहा सर फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री है बचाने के लिए, वो भी एक आइडियोलॉजी हो सकता है। कुछ लोगों ने कहा सर मुझे साइंस का ज़रूरत नहीं है 11th में, तो क्यों लिखना है, इट्स अनदर कैटेगरी। सो डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स हैव डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट। कुछ सोचते हैं लिख लेने से ज़्यादा अच्छा है, कुछ सोचते हैं ज़रूरत ही नहीं है तो क्यों लिखना है। सो दैट वाज वन कैटेगरी वेयर students have already made a decision that this is the stream that I want to opt for in class 11. Now one more category is where student says I am more into class 11 standard right now. Students ये बोलते हैं कि मैं already 11th standard का syllabus start कर चुका हूँ और मैं काफ़ी आगे बढ़ चुका हूँ उसमें। तो वहीं पे एक मोमेंटम की बात आ जाती है। नाउ वी हैव अ टॉक अबाउट मोमेंटम। कैन यू प्रोड्यूस दैट हीट, कैन यू प्रोड्यूस दैट मोमेंटम व्हिच यू हैड शोन 3 months ago? क्या आप में वो जज्बा है कि आप वापस अपने बुक्स खोल के 10th standard का सिलेबस पढ़ के you can make it to the examination hall and write your exam or happily accept your pre-board marks? तो ये एक राउंड ऑफ कैटेगरी है जहाँ स्टूडेंट 11th standard का सिलेबस ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट ऑफ कर चुका है and he doesn't want to break his momentum. Students, now we have spoken of the category of students. अब बात करते हैं what are the other things that you need to analyze before clicking the yes button or the no button. Now students, keep one thing in mind, it's not about your yes or no. The other precautions or the other things that you need to keep in your mind before you make a choice. Is transport available? Is it safe to travel? क्या आप एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के बाहर और अंदर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन कर पाएंगे प्रॉपरली? नेक्स्ट, एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के अंदर ओके, नो वेज, यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम्स देयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज council will be definitely giving few guidelines to the center schools. Outside the examination hall, the main area, students का generally mentality होता है once they finish off their exams they rush out of the campus or they make a group and start discussing of the answers. ये सब कोरोना फैलाने के लिए काफ़ी है. It's a deadly disease as I have mentioned it earlier and you people know it. So ये चीज़ हो गया एक. नेक्स्ट हो गया पेरेंट्स who gather around the campus while picking and dropping their children. So ये सब चीज़ को भी ध्यान में रखना है and then you have to make a choice. So to summarize entire thing, do not discuss anything with your friends. First speak to your parents, speak to your teachers, do not panic. Next, please do not run after marks. It's not about coming first in your school, it's coming first in your parents' eyes. It's not about coming first in the society to keep good name and fame. It's all about not losing the race of your life. So my dear students and parents, please try and understand one thing, and I hope that you people will understand that at present the primary concern should be your health, your child's health, society's health, your family's health, and not the marks. I know we can give n number of examples or you can talk about n number of people who have secured the top class marks in their examination and they are doing well in their life. But think around the side, around the corner, that there are people who have not secured such brilliant marks in their school examinations or board examinations. Even few are there who have not passed or achieved their 10th level certificate and they are doing well in their life. Please do not pressurize your child to opt option 1 or option 2, but indeed discuss it mutually with him or her. I hope that you people will take down these suggestions. You will innovate something more after watching this particular video. You people will have patience, wait for council's circular and then make a choice.